Hi, this is Julie. I'm going to show you how to take off a bad laptop LCD. I've already taken this one off and it was really easy, so I thought I'd show you how to do a YouTube video on how to actually do it. And so what you're going to start with is you're going to have just several screwdrivers, different sizes, and this one doesn't have any, sometimes you'll have little rubber pads that will have screws underneath it. This one does not. So you're just going to carefully start right here. I usually start right where the tab is to open the laptop. And you're just going to be really careful because these are all just little tiny tabs that hold it. And just go really slow so you don't break any of them. And once you get it started, they'll just start popping off. At the bottom there is some adhesive, and so you just want to be really careful, and I just stick my fingers underneath and just lift softly and slow. So just like that. Then there's going to be, there's usually about 4 screws. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then it should come right out. Now right here, when I watched some videos how to do this, nobody showed you how to take this cable out, and so I was afraid to take it. Sometimes there's a lift tab to release it, but really you just need to take off this tape. And take it out from the front and leave it on the back, because I think you may still use it. But you see that? Then it just literally pulls right out. I kept looking for a tab because I didn't want to break it, because if that's broke, then your LCD will never work. And that's how you take off a HP screen replacement. They're usually between $30 and $50 to get a new one. Thank you.